Hi there! We hope that you've been enjoying your Cove Pure system. When it's time to change your filters, you'll see the change filter alert light up in red like this. You'll know which filter needs replacing since there won't be any bars left. As you can see here, my PCB filter needs to be replaced. Start by unplugging the system. Then remove the lid from the tank and then slide your filter lid off. Now, twist your old filter to the left until the arrow points to the word open, then pull it out. Remove any plastic wrapping and the bottom cap from your new filter, then put it in. Make sure the arrow points to the word open, then push down and twist until the arrow points to the word close. Slide the filter lid back on and place the lid back on the tank. Now it's time to reset your filter life. Plug the system back in. Wait for flush to disappear off screen. This will take around 2 minutes. Press and hold the custom and 16-ounce buttons for 5 seconds until you see the filter name flash. Then tap custom to select which filter you're replacing. Hold both buttons down again to save your selection. And now you'll see my PCB filter life has been restored. Next, we'll need to rinse out our filters to get rid of any carbon powder or oils from the membrane. Start by placing a large bowl under the nozzle. Then press and hold the dispense button down for 5 seconds. Allow the pitcher to fully empty itself, then repeat 2 more times. You may need to refill the machine to make sure you empty out 3 full pitchers of water. Once you're done, your system will be ready to use again. Enjoy!